Tavey got that fire.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tavey. I'm just on here introducing myself. My name is Tavey. I own a pressure washing business, and yeah, on here I just be giving y'all some tips and tricks on how to pressure wash. Also I have my job recaps on here, and I will do more stuff that y'all will ask. Any questions that y'all have, y'all can just comment them in the comment section and I'll answer them for you all. But yeah, I just wanted to come over here and just say hello to everybody. Thanks for watching. More content coming soon. But until then, just enjoy this content of me washing this store.
Tavey got that fire.